DNA only singular model. That is there. So what is the sizes of the plant mitochondria genomes? The plants which have different names of the plants in the Brassica irrita, the 208 in the kilo pieces of the genomes, Brassica compestis, then 218 Brassica oleracea, 219 Brassica napes, means it is a generic name is the same, only species are different, but the genome structure, genome size also changes. That is also important. Then Brassica napes 221, Brassica nigra 231, Reference sativum 242. Then family change. Sorry, family same, but generic name is different. Then Brassica oleracea. Then also reference sativum. Both are different here, 208. Here, so the reference sativum 242. In the same family, generic name based, it can be changes of the number, size of the genomes. But then Spinia, oleracea 327, Triticum esticum, then mono and a monocotylene acid 440. Means digard plants which have a less size of the genomes of mitochondria. Then also got a monocot, that is also Giamis. It is also got a 570. Then Cucumis melo also 2500. Means not only the digard or monogard, it is a few type of the digard plants, also large size of the mitochondria DNA which are present in the Cucumis melo, 2500 kilo basis of the DNA. But here Triticum esticum monogard 440. But Giam is also monogard 570. Means in the nature, in the name of the, in the nature of the plants depends the size of the DNA. In majority of the species, the monocot plants of DNA of mitochondria is a large size. But in few, which are various examples, are Cucumis melo. The Cucumis melo is the highest size of the mitochondria DNA. But then the monocot plants, that is also when. Then here is also, it is a completed mitochondria, which are revision types. It again mitochondrial organelle found in the most eukaryotic organisms. The site of the Krebs cycle electron transport energy producing process during the aerobic response. You know that. Or inherited only from the mother during external reproductions. This is also one character. Here is also extracellular, extranuclear DNA, which is also DNA. The extra DNA exhibited the Mendelian inheritance. Mendelian means the Mendel scientist or opinion, means it is a suggestion, or according to the Mendel laws, the every organism which can genetic inheritance character comes from the parent. That is, the recombination is also known between the some mitochondria and chloroplast DNAs. Then also extranuclear DNA, which is also one character of the DNA. But here is the total size of the mammals, yeast, and so trypanosomes or plants. What are the differentiation of the mitochondria size? So minus 16 base or 75 kilo base. Also got a ribosome, also got a 0.5 to 25 in plants, 200 kilo bases. Organization, circular, mainly linear, yeast, mainly linear. Also got the ribosome is at 10% interlinked matrix. In plants is also got a predominant linear. Then polymerase enzymes. It is a polymerase. Also got types of polymerase enzymes in mammals. But here yeast, but is also trypanosome organisms or plants. Then primes. Then you get replication of the mechanism. This is replication of the DNA in mammals. But here yeast, it is a trypanosome, so it is also plants. That is also based on the replication of the mitochondrial DNA. The group of organisms are which can divide the 4 types to description of differences, which is also mtDNA. It is also comparative these mitochondria. What are the qualities of the mitochondria in human beings? They are all different sites, all different cell organelles, major cell organelles to link to the mitochondria activities. So then the heart beating based on the mitochondria activity. It is also called a conduction and disorders, Wolf, and also called a Parkinson's, White, synonyms of the cardio and the myopathy. This is also one character, mitochondria here. This then 7 is eyesight. The sight is also responsible to depends on the mitochondria in the based on the ADPs, the liver, kidney, pancreas, blood, and also called inner ears, then colons, then also nuclear DNA, but the brain also got a skeletal muscles. So these are all is also got a important relation to the mitochondrial DNA. So this is also complete of mitochondria. Now chloroplast DNA, both are mitochondria and chloroplast both are called separated DNA molecules, which can study in degree student, degree courses. This is also mitochondria, but chloroplast. So what are the